super, super hot, but we're going to go into Minnie's house. This is something I wanted to do since I was a teenager. I know it's literally just a house. I know I get excited about the lame things like the teacups and stuff, but they're so cute. I think we're going in. Oh, it's so close, so close. Oh, I spy on Minnie's house. There. A little heart, friends. And a little heart, Minnie. She got like a bush of Mickey out there. I guess it's to show off. That's like, yeah, that's my husband's. It costs $200 a month to upkeep.
Where did you get the money?
Putting her face on all of the merchandise. I think my favourite area is Fantasyland for the rides, but in terms of just walking around Toontown, it feels like you're in a set. Minnie's let her into her house. This is definitely my house. I mean, Minnie's house. That's an old picture of Mickey back in his wonder years when he had less colour. Oh, a fire blazing. She's not very seasonal. Oh, that's a really old cartoon. I mean, Minnie's only 17, forever 17. Can I pick up the phone? No, she's glued it down to save on phone bills. From here to eternity. She likes her puns. That's her bed. Wow, I need these curtain holders. There's a wardrobe. Making sure the makeup is okay. I need to fix my hair. They invite Rapunzel around. I guess Minnie really likes the guests to make themselves at home. Great! Why is everything so cute and heart-shaped? Just like Polly Pocket. Is this the kitchen? Oh, great. Live simply, says the mouse with heart-shaped everything. Oh, she left some lunch out for Mickey. She's such a good house mouse. Yes, Cheesemore, that's when you know it's a good brand. Minnie Mouse's famous chewy chewy cookies. Chewy cheesy cookies. Wait, what? What's going on there? What's in the fridge? What's inside? Let's see what she's got. I hope she left us some good grub. Cheese, chip, ice cream. I guess most of her guests aren't lactose intolerant. Everything's so cute and round. There's one to live like this. Oh, real flowers. I should check the plumbing. Oh, ribbon bread. I still really love the. Hang on a second. What has she fed Mickey? Maybe it's like the plankton from SpongeBob, the hologram food. I mean, Mickey is old. Maybe he's just a ghost by now. Oh, the dishes are washing! Yay! Oh, I want all her cutlery. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's she baking over there? I hope it's something good, but it's probably macaroni cheese flan. Because everything is cheese. Cookies. Candy. How should we do our smoothie? Off, low, high, too high, much high. Probably this one. Oh my gosh, of course. Goodbye, Minnie's house. You were as round as you were cheesy. Oh, everything's so cute, heart-shaped. Are you up here with everyone else? the Zucchini matcha shaved ice. Ooh.